1985 Monte Carlo here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Custom two-tone green and gold paint scheme on this one. 305 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission, so 3-speed automatic. Tranny and engine were rebuilt approximately 35,000 miles ago. Take a look at the front fascia. You can see it has had some paint work done to it. There's some imperfections. Point those out so you can see them. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC compressor kicks on and off. Blows cool. It could be colder, maybe needs a recharge. As you can see, custom hood scoop with turn signal indicators. Those are working. Show you that when we get inside the car. Start it up, let you hear it run. And also want to let you know it does come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable up to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in or email. The number to call, 507-386-1726. And if you'd like to see still pictures, those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see the underside, the engine bay, the interior. As you can see, riding on custom wheels. The interior has also been redone to carry through the gold and green paint scheme on this one. Bench cloth seat. We'll get around to the driver's side, let you take a little closer look at the interior. Also, like I said, started up. Spray and bed liner. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. It is missing one of the center wheel covers, just so you know. Dual exhaust. Take a look at the chrome rear bumper. And again, you can see the pics of this vehicle on our website. Probably close to 100 of them, uniqueclassiccars.com. Every angle, undersides, interior. All right, take a little closer look at the driver's side here. And how about some more of the interior? Does have power windows that are working. Take a look at the door panels. And again, the green and gold theme carried through the interior. Kind of a cloth vinyl blend, I guess you would say. Have had the wipers working. As you can see, tilt column. Stereo does work. Let's go ahead and fire it up. I'll let you listen to that 305. All right, see the tack came up. This tack is working, as well as the rest of the gauges, although that oil pressure does not appear to read correctly. Temp gauge has a cold start, so I won't expect that to be up. I believe to be actual miles. There's no readings above that on the Carfax, according to previous owners. 85,269. The rest of the dash, and I did mention the radio does work. Go there. Headliner also been done. Sounds good. Nice little rumble coming out of 305. Deep exhaust note. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pop the hood. Take a look at this engine bay. Oh, I want to show you those turn signal indicators. Sorry about that. Those are working. So let me pause this a second. Let's pop the hood. Check out that engine bay. When I went to pop that open, it reminded me RFE scuffs in the hood there. As you can see those. Yeah, it looks like a newer compressor. AC lines. And like I said, compressor does kick on and off. Blows cool. May need to recharge. Be a little more efficient. Blow a little colder. Has also been converted from R112. See by the fittings back here. So you're good there. 305 paired up with that automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 transmission, power steering, power brakes, smooth runner. And again, previous owners stated approximately 35,000 since that tranny and engine had been rebuilt. 1985 1985 Chevrolet El Camino Custom. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com for the pictures. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable. Check with your sales consultant. We also consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1985 Chevrolet El Camino. Our oil pressure gauge is pegged to the right and the temperature is to the left. So I believe those do not work. The fuel gauge is reading half, volts are reading right at the middle of the gauge, which is a little over 13, which is good. The speedometer works great. Tach works great. The radio works great. Our blower motor is working. This car goes perfectly straight down the road. Got a very nice ride. Acceleration is good. Spring is finally here in Minnesota. The roads are getting nice. It says 85,000 on the odometer. Yeah, I'm not getting any tire shake or anything like that. The brakes work good. Go around this roundabout and accelerate one more time. Acceleration is good. Check out this El Camino at UniqueClassicCars.com. GoPro, stop capturing.